Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you the products plugin access management feature. The access management means that a person that is Redmine administrator could grant permissions for normal Redmine users. These users are not administrators and they have or do not have some permissions and options to do. And yeah, I'm going to show you. So maybe it's a bit difficult now for you to understand. You could see how it works and what I mean. All right, so for this purpose, we are going to use a products project in Redmine, and yeah, currently I'm logged in here as administrator. And make sure before starting your testing and actual work that this project has the three modules enabled. So they are products, orders, and product subscriptions. So these modules are consisted of the products plugin. All right, so as being logged in as administrator now, I'm going to create just a normal Redmine user. Uh, yeah, just a casual Redmine user. So I go to users and click on new user, and I'm going to name it, for example, Neo from the Matrix. Okay, so it is um, Thomas Anderson, uh, and the email could be neo@matrix.com. Okay, so it is important here that Neo is not an administrator. Okay, he's just a normal Redmine user. Alright, so we put some password here and we retype the password. Yeah, if you're curious what my password is, it is Matrix 1999. Alright, so we create this guy, Neo, and we see that currently he is not appearing into any project. So here we add him in all projects and put him the role of reporter. So yeah, he's going to have some permissions in this project based on the reporter role. Okay, we add him now. Okay, so just to see, yeah, it is successfully added. So we have projects here, and yeah, Neo is a reporter in all of these projects. So let's go in another browser and just sign in as Neo to see what is the situation there. Okay, so we sign in as Neo from the Matrix with the password Matrix 1999 and log in. Okay, so currently we're logged in as Neo. Alright, so when we go to projects and then products project, we see that we could see some tabs here, contacts, activity, overview, but there are no products and everything else. So on the top menu, we see that we have products and orders, but if we click there, what is happening? No data to display. Actually, there is a data, but Neo do not have permissions to see it and to do anything with this data. So that's why it is saying no data. So yeah, if you click on orders as well, it is the same thing. Orders, no data to display. Okay, so I'm going to show you now step by step how to change this behavior and grant Neo some permissions about the products. So let's return back to the administrator and go here on the top right corner. Yeah, here we are logged in as admin again to say, so that's why we have administrative privileges. Okay, and now we click on roles and permissions, and here is the reporter role, the one that Neo has for the projects. So we scroll to the very bottom and see that there are three blocks of permissions. So these are the ones that we're interested in. So these are the products, the orders, and the product subscriptions. Okay. So firstly, let's start with something simple. Let's grant him Neo a permission to view the products. So we click here and save the changes. Okay, so return back to Neo, just refresh our page and see that now there is products tab and Neo is available to see the products. And if we click again here on the top, he's also able to list the products. But also when we click orders, there is nothing to see because he do not have permissions, all right? Okay, so let's return back here again and see, yeah, we have products. Neo is now having them the availability to see them. Now let's return back and grant him some more. We scroll down again to the products and yeah, add him the permission to add products. So not only to view products, but also to create new products. Okay, so return back to Neo, refresh our page, and see that there is a new product button here, and Neo is now able to add some products. Okay, so he could add a product, for example, the glasses of Morpheus. Okay, so here we could upload a picture of the glasses of his friend and yeah and teacher Morpheus. But for now we could skip this because yeah, this is just a simple example. But if you wish, you could add, of course, more detail here. This is just a simple example now. So the price of these glasses could be, for example, $5,000. They are pretty expensive, all right? Okay, so we click save and see that we successfully created this product that is the glasses of Morpheus. All right. So let's return back and see what could be done more. Um, all right, we see products, edit products. Okay, so we click edit. Just to see, by the way, before saving the changes here, I'm going to show you. Okay, so we open the classes of Morpheus and see that there is nothing to do here. Only view the product, all right? Nothing else. So we added the edit products and just save the changes. Okay, so if we refresh here, we see that we have an edit button now. We could edit the classes of Morpheus. So we could, for example, decide that this price is not enough. So we put them to be $8,000. This is, yeah, the original glasses of Morpheus, $8,000 from the iconic movie from the 1999. All right, so we return back and see what could be done in addition. Uh, yeah, so we have also the possibility to delete products. So we add this permission and save the changes now. Okay, so we refresh and see that there is a delete button now. Okay, so uh, there is some guy that is that could afford him to buy the glasses and buy them actually. So there is no need of this product anymore. So we just click on delete here and yeah, successful deletion. So we do not have the glasses of Morpheus anymore. Have some other things, but no more glasses. Okay. So the other thing that I wanted to show you is, um, just a second, please. Here is import and export products. So I'm going to enable these both features to see what I have meant. Okay, we save the changes and refresh our page here and see that we have a button here, import. Okay, so you see that at the very bottom you have also available in CSV. So you could export all these products as CSV file. Okay, so it is a CSV file, and then you could add another project or yeah, something like this, and import the list as CSV. Okay, so we click here on the files, select the CSV with the imported products, and just click next and import them with one click. This is it. This is very useful feature, by the way. Okay, so Neo, the important thing now is that Neo has these permissions now to import and export the products. Okay, so one more thing that I wanted to show you about the products is that we have also a possibility to save products queries. This is also a very good feature. It is saving you a lot of time, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, so we see that if we refresh here, we could see now a button save. So this is the saving query feature. So this means that, for example, if you add some um, filters and options here, uh, yeah, for example, let's see, we could change the list style to table, for example, and yeah, we could put all the columns to be available with this arrow, move them here and click on apply. And see that this is the full table of all available columns and options for products, and you'd like this to be saved. So there is no need to every time click on this filters and options and everything else, just to save your time. Okay, so we click save here and name table view with all columns. Okay, so we click on save now, and we see here on the right my custom queries. The um, the table is already saved in the custom queries. Okay, so we clear now the board, um, and yeah, just return back this excerpt list, for example, and go somewhere else, for example, on the agile board, and then return back to the products. And yeah, you would like to just view the table with all the columns. So just here, go in the right sidebar, my custom queries, table view with all columns. Just one click. You click here. Um, yeah. So yeah, maybe we missed something. Uh, yeah, it should be in this way. Maybe we haven't clicked something right, but you understand what I have meant. So yeah, I'm going to do some other example to show you. For example, we add filter um, with price. So the price is $99. Yeah, so there is only one product with this price. So we save the query with the price. So $99 prices. Okay, so we save this thing, clear the board, um, and go somewhere else. Return back to products, and when we click on the price here, $99, it automatically applies the change of $99 price as products. So this is the saving query feature, just with one click. So if you put it to be available for project and public, it will come here under custom queries, and if it is to me only for viewing, it is my custom queries here. Okay, so this is how it works, the saving feature for custom queries. Okay, so another thing that I wanted to show you is about the orders. So here the things are very similar. So we click on view orders and view order list. So here are separated, so you have to enable both things to view the orders. Okay, so we save now, and if we go now again to the project of products, we see that we have orders now. We could view them, and we could also view them here on the top. It is successfully opened, all right, and also on a project level on the products project. Okay, so we are successfully viewing them, all right. So let's grant some more permissions about the orders to see how are the things there. So as we're already familiar with the products, we're going to enable a couple of options in a row. So not one by one, but just, for example, we're going to add orders, edit orders, and delete orders at once. Okay, so we click save and see what is happening here. Yeah, we have a new order button here, so we could successfully create new order. And we have edit button here, and the difference is just that the delete button is hidden here in the three dots. So yeah, we could delete this order, for example, if we wish. We click here, yeah, and it is successfully deleted because Neo has this permission. Okay, so let's return back and see some more. Um, yeah, we have also comment orders, view charts, and save order queries. Okay, so we save all these things and return back to see what is happening. So when we refresh, we see that we have charts button here. We click and you could see some charts about the orders. Yeah, we have this option for Neo. And also there is a save button to save the queries. Uh, so it is the same way as I have showed you um, uh, in the previous example about the products. So yeah, I'm going to show you some more example here. For example, the status is placed. You see that we have statuses with a lot of options here, but we want to just list the placed orders. So we filter them in this way, save them in this way, and say that it is placed orders list. Okay. Um, yeah, we save this change and clear the board, uh, go somewhere else, for example, in activity or contacts, and return back to orders and just want to play to filter them as placed in one click. So we see on the right and see placed orders list. We click here and it automatically filters the placed orders just with one click. This is the saved query functionality. Okay, so yeah, this was these were the options for the um, orders, and yeah, the last thing that I want to show you is about product subscriptions. So I'm going to enable all these features at once to show you how it is functioning. Okay, so we save the query, and yeah, if we refresh, we see that these are the subscriptions. So we click here, so no subscriptions by now. I'm going to show you how it works. So we open one order and the subscription is put it here in the order. So we click edit now and we have permissions to add, view, and everything else about subscriptions. So every available possibility and permission for subscriptions, we have it. Okay. Uh, so yeah, this is order uh, 18. Okay. So yeah, of course the reference is up to you. So you could name it in any other way that you wish. If you wish, you could put here Morpheus. Okay. But I'm just doing some reference now for the current example. Okay, so we have start date 1st of April 2026. Okay, and we could put some ending date to be, all right, let's could be August 2026. Yeah, so we have subscription now here, and save the changes of this order. So when we click subscriptions now, we see this is our subscription. So it is for Morpheus for this order, and yeah, it ends in the 20th of August 2026. Okay, so we have full permissions for subscriptions now about Neo. You could do everything with them. All right, and the last thing that I wanted to show you is that, yeah, these were the blocks of permissions for orders, products, and product subscriptions. We left here these options so you could test them as well on your Redmine to see how it works. Uh, Also, there is one more such permission that is located here in the core Redmine feature official tracking permissions. So it is located here. Manage products relations. Okay, so these were the three options that we have just left for you if you would like to test it. So I wanted to show you the main functionality that was added or not added to some Redmine user to do with his profile, okay, with his account. So for the current example, Neo could do almost everything now because we have granted him these permissions. He's almost full access of the products plugin and its features and functionality. Okay, so I hope this video was good for you, and if you have some questions or problems, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. So we're going to help you with some examples or recording such videos to show you the things. Yeah, if you like the video, you could subscribe to our channel on YouTube, like it, share it, comment it. Yeah, you're free to do it. Um, yeah, so thanks again for the patience of watching this video and see you soon. See you in the other video. Bye bye for now.